Finally, the best VPN for macOS, Windows, Android, and iOS that is on the way is here. You can use all these proxies on Shadowrocket, Clash, Matsuri, and any other client that can handle proxies. And the good news is you don't need to go to the websites and purchase subscriptions there. You can do everything within the app. Let's learn how. First of all, go to the link in the description and you will get discount only if you go through the link. And if you got much money, you can just directly go to the link. Once you land to this page, you will see this interface. Here you can download apps for Android, Windows, macOS, and iOS is on the way. It is not yet out. Choose your operating system and download the app. I'm using macOS and I have already installed this app. You can download here. Wait, I will also let you know how you can use coupon codes to get discount and how you can import these same proxies and nodes to other apps if you don't want to use this app. By the way, this is the best one. Once you download the app and install, the interface is like this. It's very simple and beautiful. Here you can see all the proxies. It includes so many countries and servers, and these are the ping values. Another great thing is you can bypass Chinese websites and apps from any VPN if you are using this VPN on the mainland China, or otherwise you can use the global version here, and you can also choose between TUN and proxy mode. First thing you need to do is go to user, and here you should register with an email account. Don't skip the video because this is important. Go to register, and here you don't need to have an email account. You can write anything 1122334455@gmail.com. Remember, it will work only if you use the coupon code. Choose any password. Another important thing is with this coupon code you're gonna get 60 GB free data. So use this coupon code ATTIQUESTIC and number 8. Register. So you got 60 GB free data to test this VPN, and that's what I can offer you as an affiliate to this VPN. After that, go to change proxies and choose the proxy of your choice. For example, I'm gonna choose USA, and now here is the connect button. Here it's gonna ask you if you're using this VPN domestically, it means you're using it in China, then you can choose domestic and it will not interfere with your local websites and apps. And if you're using it overseas, it means out of China, then you can use this VPN for all the websites you're using on your device. I'm here in China and now it's connected. So what is the good news? Go to plans and here you will see all the plans. Now you don't need to go to the websites. Everything is within app. Once it's expired, you just go and choose. I recommend you getting a bigger package. For example, this one is 658 in Chinese currency yuan. Go to subscribe now, and here I give you the coupon code, thickwistic number 8. And you see the price is 658, and now you verify, voila, 131 is gone. And now you can pay by clicking here, place order now. Once you do that, I already have subscription, but let's teach you. And just leave this first option, go to confirm payment. Now choose Alipay or WeChat and it will generate this QR code. Just open your Alipay, scan this QR code and pay using Alipay. Once you pay, the app will redirect you to the basic interface here. It's still waiting for the payment. I'm not gonna pay because I already have subscription. So once you pay, it will open everything. Then you need to go to user, and here you will see all the expiry date and whatever the subscription you have. So to use it on iPhone or Clash or Matsuri or any other client that can handle proxies, simply go to download clients, because the app for iOS is not yet out, and this website is also updated before you could easily copy the link. But now you just need to go to this place, and for iOS you can download the client. For that, video tutorial is here, you can watch that, but I'm gonna use third-party app option. Click on this and it will generate a QR code. You can scan this QR code, or simply here is a link and copy this link. Now open Shadowrocket or Clash app, go to plus icon, in the type section select subscribe, and in front of URL paste this URL here. and then hit save. Once you hit save, it will import all these VPN07 proxies to your Shadowrocket. If you are using Clash or Clash Verge or Clash Pro apps, then go to profile, and here you just need to paste this URL and then hit on import. After that, it will import this profile. Here you can see how much data you consumed, what's your expiry date, and then you need to go to proxy. Here select global and choose the lowest ping value. Here make sure in the setting area you are using this app and the number is 7897. You can also check mark this option system proxy if it is not working. Then go to global and don't choose direct. Direct mean it will not use a VPN but it will open an app directly. You can choose rule or global. Both are okay. Choose the lowest value and here you can see the connection. That's it. Then keep on using this VPN and subscribe anytime. If you want to renew, then once again use this coupon code anytime you want to renew. Links are in the description. Liking is free. Writing a comment is also free. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.